What's up, beautiful nature family? I'm back with another video. We're gonna show you all the powers of nature's coming soon. We're even gonna make a nature shop, sell real necklaces like this one. Look.
Oh.
Whoop, whoop. Pure rocks straight from a 5D fifth dimensional beach with crystals and rocks full of minerals and electricity to heal the aura.
By Buddha.
Approved by Buddha, and these white stones is for the light that we are, the eternal I am, the crown chakra. So stay tuned for that. But in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I make my homemade natural shampoo, and I can pick it outside because I'm in Spain. But if you're in Sweden or some colder country, just buy an aloe vera plant. That's what I used to do in Sweden. I used to have like 2 aloe vera plants at home and used to cut them down all the time and use from my head. So I'm gonna start cutting these up. And I'm gonna throw them in the mixer machine, but I'll show you guys in a moment when I cut some, because you guys don't need to see that. Love you all. Wee! So I just cut it like this. It doesn't have to be perfectly. You can probably do this much better than I'm doing. But all we want is the insides, which is kind of obvious, but just as best as you can, get the insides out like this. Put them in here.
Maybe with a spoon.
Maybe with a spoon. I've been doing like this over and over again the other times I've been doing, but maybe it's not the most efficient way, but it works. Smack.
Try it with a spoon.
Let's try it with a spoon.
Wait.
Slip it.
Mr. Nature with his nature.
Yeah, it works with a spoon too.
Nature power!
So, I'm gonna keep doing this for a few minutes, then I'm gonna put some oil in it and a little bit of water, then it's almost done. But I'm gonna show you guys, so stay here. Look at this, nature family. Pure aloe vera gel. Then you can use different oils, whatever, like virgin you got, like olive oil or something. But last time I used hemp oil and it worked really nice. And even after making this, it lasted like over 1-2 weeks and didn't even get old. So this is amazing. I'll show you guys in a moment what I'm doing. A little bit of hemp oil, schmack, and a little bit of mineral water, spring water, schmack. We'll see how this consistency needs. You can change the amount of water and stuff up to whatever consistency you want. God bless. A little bit foamy now, but this is amazing. You can adjust the consistency as you want, as I said before, but this works perfect. Now I'm just gonna take a shitty Babylon shampoo bottle I had in the house when we got it, and I'm gonna fill it up. And I have a homemade natural shampoo that took me like 5-10 minutes maximum to make, and it's super good for your scalp and your hair, and makes your hair grow quicker. It's job-blessed nature power. We got the bottle for the Ital job-blessed aloe shampoo. So, God blessed things, basically. Here we go, everybody. Let's go into the shower. Job blessed. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit how it looks. Ooh. I'm just gonna put it here. Awesome for the hair, for your scalp, for your skin, everything. Hydrates your skin, makes your hair grow quicker, like this. I love you all so much. Stay tuned for more home remedies to make everything natural the way God intended it to do, straight from the source, Mother Earth. I love you all. Stay blessed and stay tuned for more content and a beautiful nature shop soon to come. I love you all. Peace. Ja Rastafari.